In this video, we will connect the passenger side coolant hoses. Place the S12F hose as shown and add a hose clamp from the K23A bag. Use silicone spray and push the hose onto the cylinder head outlet tube. Use a 5/16 socket to tighten the hose clamp. Insert one of the smaller splices into the lower frame hose. Add a hose clamp and tighten it with a 5/16 socket. Next, slide a clamp onto the S12F hose and push the hose onto the splice. Then, tighten the clamp. Place the smaller clamp from the K23A bag on the frame. Place the larger clamp on the hose. Use the screw, nylock nut, and washers from the bag to attach the two clamps together. Position the clamps to keep the hoses away from the pulleys.